Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I have a massive B&M essentials haul. I went down to B&M a little while ago, picked up the most amount of cleaning stuff you can think of. Basically my house just needs a massive clean up. It needs a really good spring clean, which I'm so excited to do. I looked in the cupboard the other day and I had next to nothing left, so I had to get myself down to B&M because it's one of the best places to go to get all your cleaning stuff from. So yeah, I picked up a whole bag of stuff. They had loads of new products in, which I was really happy about. Cannot wait to show you guys. So without further ado, I'm going to get straight into this video. But before I do, don't forget to smash that thumbs up button. If you're new here, my name is Tracy and I'm going to be uploading every Wednesday and every Sunday from now on. I have said it here and now, I'm going to be doing it. So if you are new here and you would like to subscribe to my channel, then don't forget to hit that little red button down below. Don't forget to hit the bell as well, because that will notify you when I next upload. And without further ado, let's get into this video. So before I get started, I just want to tell you that I am not using my ring light. I felt like the last couple of videos, my ring light just completely washed me out. So I'm trying to get my videos better quality. So I'm using natural lighting today and just the lighting in my bedroom. So hopefully, fingers crossed, that this video quality is going to be so much better. Let's get into what we are here for, which is a B&M haul. Usually there's nothing in order or anything like that. I'm just going to pull out what's in the bag. Also, I do have my receipt. As you can see, it's a really long receipt. Although when I did do this shop, I did pick up Easter eggs and things like that. So obviously they're not going to be in the bag now. So let's get on with it. So the first item I have actually seen floating about for quite a while. I haven't picked it up before, but I've seen so many reviews on it and it's got good reviews. So I picked it up. So I picked up this Fabulosa washing liquid, and yes, I have used it. I mean, like I said, this has been in my bag since before Easter and I ran out of washing up liquid basically and I needed it. So it's the Raindrops Fabulosa washing up liquid. It is so good. I'm one of these people that just stick to the Fairy washing up liquid or even the Aldi's washing up liquid because I think that's quite good. But this stuff is so nice. Not only does it smell amazing, but it does a really good job. And also, this is a 1 litre bottle and it only cost me £1.49. How good is that? But honestly, it's really nice stuff. This is in the Raindrops fragrance, and like I said, it smells amazing. Next up, I noticed that Febreze were doing loads of different fragrances, and I picked up this one, which is in a limited edition, which is Blossom and Breeze, which just looks like this. I absolutely love Febreze. I swear by this stuff. You spray this on your fabrics before you go to bed at night. When you wake up in the morning, you can still smell it. It smells amazing. But yeah, I'll try this one out. Obviously, it's a nice spring scent. This was actually on special offer. It was £1.49. I'm pretty sure they're like £1.99 normally, but I got it for £1.49, which I am happy about. So I just picked up these rubber gloves. You get 2 in a pack for £1.99. Yeah, I thought I picked up the pink ones, but apparently I picked up green, but never mind, does the same job. So normally when I go down to B&M, I would pick up minky cloths and cloths like that, but I found these, and these are for glass and tiles, and the microfiber cleaning pads, but these were £2 and you get 2 in a pack, so I couldn't pass these off. They just intrigued me. I've got a lot of glass in my house, I've got a lot of mirror furniture in my house, and I just thought these might come in really handy. Try these out, let you know how I get on with them, if they're worth the money or not, but I just thought try these out first because they're £2, you get 2 in a pack, and with the minkies you only get 1, and I think they're £2.50, something like that. So yeah, I'm going to try these out first, but they just look like this. So the microfiber, and then on the back they've got this sort of material. Ideal for cleaning windows, mirrors and tiles, and my kitchen's tiled as well, bathroom's tiled, so yeah, these are coming really handy when I do a big clean up. So next up, I absolutely love Fabulosa products. I bought so many in the past, but they brought out this new version. This is Rose and Vanilla scent. It's a room and fabric freshener, and I have used this. This is amazing. I sprayed all the furniture downstairs before I went to bed the other night, and when I come downstairs it smelled beautiful. This I picked up for £1 as well, which I think is amazing. That's so inexpensive. So like I said, I've got the Rose and Vanilla fragrance. They have lots of fragrances in at the minute, so if you're looking for new fragrances for your house, honestly, Fabulosa is amazing. I absolutely love it. And also it gets rid of odours, so if you're cooking in the evening or anything like that, it's really good to spray the house before you go to bed, because you just don't smell that cooking smell when you get up in the morning. But yeah, this is so good for £1. You just can't go wrong with that. So like I said, I've got loads of mirrored furniture in my house, lots of tiles and stuff like that. So I saw this Windoline glass and shiny surface. It's streak free and it's got added vinegar in it. I've been trying to get hold of white vinegar for ages, and for some reason I just can't find it anywhere. But this has added vinegar in it and it says diamond shine, so that's what really got me. Windoline is something I used to use back in the day, and it is actually quite a good product, but I do remember it being more expensive. But this was only £1, so yeah, I'm going to try this one out with those cloths. Picked up some cat litter freshener. This is just for Tilly's cat litter. Just sick and tired of the smell every time I walk past it. I'm just forever cleaning the cat litter out, and I just thought if I got this, it says baby soft scent, so I'm assuming it smells a bit like talcum powder, because when I think of baby soft scent I think of talcum powder. Oh, it smells really nice actually, and I know I shouldn't really be smelling cat litter powder, but this was only £1. I just thought I'd try it out and see if the cat litter stays a little bit fresher. So my house is in need of some re-diffusers, some new candles, some bits like that, and I found this. It was £1.50 and it's from the Air Sense range. So I've bought Air Sense sprays before and I really like them. I love the scents of them as well. So I found this, which is a re-diffuser, but it has beads in it. It's infused with gel beads and essential oils, and it was only £1.50, so I thought I'd try it out. Looks like this. It says it contains special perfumes, but it lasts up to 28 days, which is so good. And the fragrance I got was in Island Sunset. They had about 3 different fragrances. I can't remember what they were called, but I just thought this one looked really summery and just really nice. So I picked this one up, and like I said, it was only £1.50. And like I said, I absolutely love Fabulosa products, and they're so cheap and so inexpensive. So for £1.49 I picked up the Rainbow Drops Fabulosa wipes. I don't normally use wipes, but I've seen a lot of people using these recently and they said how good they are. Basically want these for cleaning around the toilet. I just think it's a bit more sanitary than using one of your cloths and then having to wash them. I just feel like I wouldn't really want to wash it. I'd want to throw it away, so it's just a waste really. So if I get these, I can just throw them away. You get 80 wipes in here and they were £1.49, so I thought that was really good. That's a massive packet of wipes. But yeah, I thought that was really good, and just for cleaning the toilet. So this next item, I've just realised I paid a lot more than I thought I did, because on the tag that it was £1.99, but apparently on my receipt it was £3.49. So I'm a bit gutted about that, because you know how I am on this channel. I like to save you guys money, so if I can find a cheaper version of it I will. But anyhow, I picked up this Exotic Tropical Blossoms Glade plug-in. Just this little plug-in, and then it's got the freshener here. I'll give you a close-up. But I just thought this looks so summery, and just one of those really nice scents in the springtime and the summertime. So yeah, pick this one up. By the looks of it, it's got coconut in it and some sort of flower fragrance. So yeah, if it's got coconut in it, I'm all over it. But yeah, this was £3.49. So it's that time of year when you want to start hanging your washing out on the line, and I realised I literally had no pegs. I don't know what happened to my pegs. I know that sometimes when other people bring my clothes in from the clothesline, they seem to pull it and the pegs just fly away somewhere, so I didn't have any pegs. So I just picked up these pegs for £1, just like this. I love the colours of these, really spring-like colours. So yeah, now I've got some pegs. I can hang my washing outside, and the sun is beaming today, so I need to get some washing done and get some washing outside. So another product from Fabulosa, I found this washing machine cleaner, and I think I've had this before, but this seems to be a smaller bottle. It says 2 shots, prevents bad odour, removes lime scale and lasting freshness. So I thought I'd try this out. It's just a washing machine cleaner. It's only a little tiny bottle. It is 250 millilitres, but it was actually only £1, so I thought I'd try it out. And this is in the fragrance Fresh Breeze, but just add a little bit extra to your washing. I absolutely love the smell of fresh washing. I'm mad about it. I picked up a cleaner to do my floors. This is a multi-purpose cleaner, so actually you can use it on other things as well. You could probably put this into some of your spray bottles and clean all your surfaces and stuff like that on it. I picked up the cherry blossom and pomegranate, and I just thought, again, that's very springy, cherry blossom, and yeah, just packaging, pink packaging did it for me really. And a big old bottle like this was only £1.49. You can use this on all types of things. It's multi-purpose, so you can use it in your kitchen, in your bathroom, you can use it on floors, and you can even use it on outdoors furniture as well. Obviously you have to dilute this, so it's going to last a long time. I just bought for £1.49. How good is that? And I know you're not meant to smell things like this, but I do want to smell what it's like. Oh, that smells nice. It does smell really nice actually. So this next item I haven't picked up for the longest time ever. I had a subscriber once who told me that you shouldn't really use this on your carpets because it eats away at the fabric. But just sprinkle a little bit on my carpet and then hoover it up straight away. It should be okay. But I just bought this Glade Shake and Vac. Like I said, I haven't bought this for the longest time. I normally buy the 1001 sprays and things like that, but I just feel like sometimes that fragrance doesn't last very long, and I remember that these did. However, they used to have it in one fragrance, and I think that was vanilla or lemon, something like that. But they brought out this new one, which is Lily of the Valley. I mean, it might not be new, but I haven't bought it for so long. But it was only £1, and I thought I'd try it again. Just be really careful with it. Just make sure if you do put it on your carpets, just leave it for a little while, and just make sure you really, really hoover it up. But yeah, it's meant to leave a really, really nice scent. So I want to try it out again and see how I get on with it. I've only got a few carpets in the house. Most of my house is hard flooring. And I stocked up on my tumble dryer sheets. I've got the Sparkling Bloom and Yellow Poppy. These are actually £1.99, but honestly, putting these in my tumble dryer, it makes my whole house smell amazing, and it makes your clothes smell so good. I love the Sparkling Blue fragrance. It's just so nice. I do actually get the other one, which is Spring Awakening. I do actually get that one as well, which is also really nice. 34 sheets in here, and obviously you just put them in your tumble dryer. The toilet, I picked up these blue toilet blocks. I always wonder what these were called. Every time I pick these up, I've never known what they're called and what to tell you guys what they're called, but apparently they're called toilet blocks. So yeah, I just picked these up for the toilet. You just basically put them in the top of the toilet bit at the top, and then every time you pull the chain, it's just meant to give your toilet a really massive, nice clean up. Yeah, it says it lasts up to 8 weeks and cleans and foams, so it's just that. And also when Gabby comes around and my toilet is a different colour, she goes mad. She absolutely loves it. So I was a little bit disappointed with candles in my B&M this time, but I definitely want to go down and see if I can find some different ones. But I found these little tiny ones, and they smell, oh, they smell so nice. So one is in the scent wild berries and one is in the scent vanilla and coconut. But they're just these little tiny candles. Only £1, and you get 2 in a pack. So yeah, I love lighting candles when I sit down in the evening to watch Netflix and eat my dinner, or when I'm just sitting down chilling. I love to light a candle, and some candles you light and you just don't get the fragrance, so I'm hoping these will be different. Yeah, these are just 2 of the fragrances I absolutely love. Wild berries, I absolutely love that sort of smell in the springtime, and also vanilla and coconut. You just cannot go wrong with those 2 fragrances. Honestly, my house could smell gorgeous. That is everything that I bought from B&M. Let me know if you want me to do a come shop with me, because I really do need to get back down there again, because I'm trying to get a blind for the spare room. I've seen a really nice blind in there, and when I saw it I didn't pick it up, and now I've gone down there, I just can't get it again. So I'm waiting for them to get more stock in, see if they can get that in. But I do need to go back down there. So let me know if you want to see a come shop with me, just what's new in B&M, because honestly the homeware stuff was amazing in there. I didn't pick any of it up this time because I was literally just down there for essentials. But yeah, let me know if you want to see a come shop with me, because I'll definitely do that for you. I really hope you enjoyed this video today. Don't forget to give it a like, don't forget to subscribe if you're new here, and I will see you all for my next video. Love you all guys, bye. Mwah.